In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add border radius in Figma. To get started, open your browser and log into your Figma account. Once you're on your main dashboard, you'll see a list of your recent files and projects. Take a moment to locate the specific project where you want to add rounded corners. Click on that project to open it in the Figma editor. If your file has multiple pages, make sure you're on the correct page where the design you want to edit is located. Inside the editor, you'll need to select the element you want to round. This can be a rectangle, a frame, any basic shape like a circle or polygon, or even an image. You can click directly on the object in the canvas, or choose it from the Layers panel on the left. Once the element is selected, you'll notice that its properties appear on the right-hand side of the screen. Look over to the right panel and find the section labeled Appearance. This is where Figma groups visual styling options, such as fills, strokes, effects, and also the settings for corners. Within this section, you'll see a field called Corner Radius. This value controls how rounded the corners of your selected object will be. Click into the Corner Radius field and type in a number. For example, try entering something like 8 or 16. As soon as you confirm the value, all 4 corners of your shape or image will round equally, and you'll see the change instantly on your canvas. You can adjust this number up or down to get the exact level of roundness you want. Smaller numbers give you subtle rounding, while larger numbers create more pill-shaped or circular edges. If you're not sure what value to use, don't worry. The nice thing about Figma is that this setting is completely non-destructive. You can keep tweaking the number until it looks right in the context of your design. Zoom in to check the details, and zoom out to see how the rounded element works with the rest of the layout. Once you're happy with the result, take a moment to scroll through your design and see how everything feels together. You might decide to add similar corner radius values to buttons, cards, or images, so your interface looks more consistent and polished. When you're satisfied with how things look in your project, you're done. That's all there is to adding border radius in Figma.